Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to a program, to a system that's done for you, complete business setup, and you can sell this and earn 100% commission, 100% profit. No cut, no fluff, no garbage. You can earn 100% commission, 100% profit, just like it's your own product. And this works because the system, the product, is going to give you access to master reseller license, which means once you get access to this product, to this incredible product, it's just like it's your own product. Now you can sell it, you can earn 100% commission without having to cut anything out of it. It's not like the normal typical affiliate products out there where you earn 50% or 20% or 30% or 75%. No, you're gonna make 100% commission. That means every time you generate a sale, 100% money is all yours. It goes straight into your bank account. You could also get money straight into your PayPal account. And not just that, I'm going to show you how people are making thousands of dollars, in fact hundreds of thousands of dollars, using this method, promoting this product and system, and they are crushing it. And you're going to have a live community of entrepreneurs and real people helping you all the way through to create that multiple 4, 5, and 6 figures online. So let me walk you through how this works, how you can participate in this incredible program and earn 100% commission, get master reseller license, and start making hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions. And not just that, I am going to personally help you build a real solid income business using this. If you don't know me, I have been in this business for a decade. I have generated over $1 million in commissions. I have been the #1 top 10% affiliate in the contest. I have won so many leaderboards, and my training has helped more than 20,000 people from all over the world. Some of my students have gone on to make 4, 5, and even 6 figures online. In fact, one of my students has generated 7 figures online, and he's become a mentor and a coach. I'm going to help you one-on-one to build that real solid income business and generate these big fat commissions. So I'm going to show you this $1,800 day system where you can earn 100% commission, own the product, own the system, okay, and build a real solid income generating business. And the training that you're going to get with this program, with this system, is unbelievable. It's not even available anywhere on the internet. Okay, so now before I dive into this program, what this program is, what this system is, what I want you to do is you could head over to this website address right down here that's popping up on your screen. When you go to this website address, this is the page that explains everything. But wait, watch this video right to the end, because you might have a lot of questions, and I'm going to answer those questions in this video. Okay, so keep watching, and if you do have any kind of questions that you believe I didn't answer, there's a comment section box below this video. Just ask your question and I will be more than happy to help you out. All right, so keep watching. So let's just get into this and let me show you what this program is all about. First of all, I want to show you some results. Check this out. $30,000 in 1 month. Chris Steele Stoop. $30,000 in 16 days. Daily Post. 72 hours in, made my first $900. Crossed $100,800 in 55 days. This is Jennie Stone, okay? And then if I go down, I could see $3,300 day for me, okay? Check this out. $900. And then another first sale, $900. Another person down here who generated over $435,000. Now, if I click on this, okay, then there are results after results after results. Now, why am I sharing these results? I'm sharing these results because this works. It's a real deal. It's a legitimate business opportunity for you to crush it online. And you're not alone in this. You're going to have a like-minded community of 42,000 people helping you all the way through to make money online. And I am one of them. That's right, I'm one of them. I'm going to jump on Skype with you one-on-one, hold you by hands, and show you what you need to do. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Step 4. If you're someone that could follow simple guidelines and you could do at least 1 to 2 hours a day, this is for you, and this is going to potentially change your life permanently. And trust me, if you follow the steps and you do exactly as told, your life is never going to be the same again, and you're actually going to pray for me, making prayers for me, thanking me for this. Okay, so let me show you. Look at this, all these results. Check this out. These are just couple, okay, 0.000000001% from the results that's being posted. Okay, if I post everything down here, I could keep scrolling for 48 hours as it's not going to finish. Okay, so let me show you. All right, so there you go. Look at this. 3 says May 31st, 2700 made. So check this out. These are all the results people are posting. Okay, check this out. $900 today, $900, $900, $900, $1,800 so far. Okay, complete newbies are making money. Thank you. I made $1,800 in 2 days. Check this out. What a start. First 2 days of June, and I'm at $4,300 already. 2 days into June, $3,900, $900, etc., etc. Check this out. $30,000 in 9.5 months. $3,200 live tonight. $2,400 day to day, and it goes on and on and on and on, and I could keep posting results. Okay, then what's going to happen once you have joined? First of all, you're going to get access to unbelievable underground training that's not available anywhere on the internet. You're going to learn the insider secrets on how to create a successful internet cash producing business from scratch. This is 100% beginners friendly, newbie friendly, no prior experience required, no technical skills required, and this is going to be a life changing opportunity for you, an opportunity for you that could completely change your life and completely take you to the next level. All right, also you're going to get access to something very, very cool. Okay, and I'm going to talk about that in a moment, so keep watching this video. Now if you want to watch the entire training, okay, on how this entire business system works, how it can help you build your business, you want to see these results yourself by opening the page, then here's the website address that's popping up on your screen. Just go open up a new browser, go to this website address, and that will show you how to make your first 10K in 30 days. You're going to get a 10K in 30 days blueprint. It's going to show you exactly step by step how to change your life and how to make 2025 one of the best years for yourself. All right, once you have joined, you're going to get access to a community. Check this out. You're going to get access to this community, okay, willing to help you all the way through. Okay, these are people posting every single day. All right, check this out. People are posting, look at this, $1,400 in 48 hours. Okay, and then $1,800 in 28 hours, $2,900 sales, $1,800 in 24 hours. All right, made my first $900 today, and I could go on and on and on. Check this out. Day 23, 400 plus leads, and I have earned $8,500 so far, and they have 5,831 of these where you can get those results. So if I go to number 2 page, 5,831 pages. Okay, so let's just go to number 2 here. Just click on next instead. Why is my computer crashing for no reason at the wrong time? Okay, so this is part of life. Okay, let's just go back down. All right, there you go. That's number 2. Okay, right now, what's going on? Why is my computer crashing for no reason? Okay, so you could get these results, and people are here to help you. You could see the interaction of people. Check this out, 12 comments, 24 likes, and people are going to help you. And then if you go to Classroom, they have webinars, they have everything. If you go to Classrooms down here, you could learn everything that's going on. And I don't know what's happening to my, so you could go look at this. You could come here, get started right now. 90-day holiday profit push. Okay, Content Vault, monthly Zoom replays, webinar, social media, how to make 6 figures in 6 months. Everything is here, my friend. There's nothing left that you could say, okay, I don't know how to do this. 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 Everything is available for you to start crushing it with this program, where you get reseller license and earn 100% commission, 100% profit. That means all the money is yours. Okay. And a complete business done for you, business setup. Okay. So you're going to get access to all this. Okay. And this is not the real training. This is not the real training. This is bonus training you're going to get inside the community. Okay. The real training is the members area that you're going to get access to once you purchase this program. Okay. And it's incredible. All right. So how do you get access to this program? That's the main question. All right. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to go to this website address down here. Okay. It's popping up on your screen right now. Open up a new browser and go to this website address. Okay. And when you come to this website address, you're going to see something like this. Okay. You can see here, learn the $900 daily pay blueprint, $900. That means you're getting master resell rights. Okay. And then you could just read through everything. Okay. At the wrong time, my computer is just playing games with me. I don't know what's gone wrong here, but whatever the case is, okay, let's just do this. Okay. So it's quite slow as well. Okay, so once you are happy with everything, you're gonna go ahead and purchase the Legacy Builders program. Okay, Legacy Builders program. What will this do? Number one, this will give you access to the entire program with all the 4 income streams built inside. That's number one. Number two, you're gonna get access to priority training that's not available anywhere else. Number 3, you're going to get access to the community on this, where you're going to get bonus access to all this incredible insider training to build your real business. And if you get stuck anywhere, there's a 48,000 people like-minded community down here that's going to help you and answer all your questions. You have any questions? Post it here and they're going to be there to help you all the way through. Okay. Number 3. You're going to get master reseller license, which means once you purchase this product, it's yours. You sell it, you earn 100% profit, 100% commission. Now imagine making repeated $900 commissions over and over and over. And this is possible. You're going to see that inside the community where people are crushing it. Newbies are coming on board and they are making money left, right, center. So if you really want to get on this and you're serious about your business, you're sick and tired with all those garbage out there, this is something that could potentially change your life. Now here's a kicker. Once you get access to this program, okay, so first of all, when you want to get access, you want to click on this, okay, and you want to buy the Legacy Builders program. This will give you access to 4 different programs within this program and 100% profit. Okay, remember that. That's number 1. Number 2, you're going to get access to my Clickbank Incomage 2.0 course. A course that's worth $497. I'm going to give it to you for free. This is free access bonus from my site. Number 3, you're going to get access to the traffic vault that I'm going to give you. Those people that could send you high quality traffic, high quality leads in your business. Number 4, you're going to get access to one-on-one mentorship from me, which means I'm going to jump on Skype with you and help you all the way through, answer all your questions. And anytime you get stuck anything, anywhere, you can ask me anything and I will help you out and I will respond to your messages within 24 hours. All right. So the question is, how do I get access to this? How can I become part of this like-minded community and start making 100% profit, 100% commission and start crushing it online? Like I just showed you some of the results, okay? I showed you all these results. Check this out. These are all the results down here. And if I post everything here, it's going to take me 48 hours and still it's not going to finish. So if you want to get access to this, here's the website address that's popping up on your screen right now. Go to this website address right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it today. Do it today. Put your trust in me. Trust me, this is going to be a life-changing opportunity for you if you follow the steps and take action. Okay? So, go to this website address. I'm also going to post this website address in the comment section box below this video and also in my description box below this video, so you can check it out there as well. This is an opportunity for you to earn $900 a day, $1,800 a day, $2,700 a day, $3,600 a day. I know one member who made $4,000 in a single day. Okay, people are seeing $1,000 days, $2,000 days, $3,000, and even $4,000 days. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to join the program. That's number one. Number two, you need to go through the training to set up your entire business. Okay, you need to set it up. It's very easy. It's done for you, still all given on a silver plate to you. You just have to copy and paste, and there you go. Your business is ready for you to rock and roll. Number three, once everything is set up, then you need to go through the training that shows you what you need to do next to start getting this out to the public so people can join you. All right, and this is how this business system is going to potentially change your life. Remember, once you have joined, do email me, okay? And if you can't email me, then at least leave a comment in my video, below my video, okay, saying that I have joined you. And I will respond, because I respond to every comment. I'm here to help you. I'm not someone that's going to just leave you side-handed and say, okay, do it yourself. No, I'm here to help you. I want to work with you. Okay, I'm willing to take up to 100 people, work one-on-one to build a real solid income business. And remember, when you get access to this, I'm going to give you my free course, Clickbank Incomage 2.0, worth $497. You're going to get access to it absolutely free of charge, just as a bonus for showing your trust in me, putting your trust in me, and taking the next step to financial freedom. All right, so if you love this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that, and leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.